was raining and then it stopped and now it's very hot outside, so I'm gonna change my clothes. I have arrived at R&R Dash. We have Azizul here today, my car, Apple, and also Diki with his bike. I don't know much about bike.
Hello.
Say hi to YouTube.
Hi YouTube. Hi mom.
Tell us more about your new bike.
This is my new baby.
Okay.
I've been having it for 1 month already. I love it with all my heart. Wash it every single week that I can.
I saw that on your Instagram. What have you done to it so far?
Well, apparently the last owner for this bike, he loves the bike but he didn't really take care of it. So the first 2 weeks that I had it, I had already need to change the chain. That set me back around 500 already. But then we had some oil change, the oil filter change. However, when I received the bike, it's already clocked in around 33,000 kilometers. And the previous owner didn't do the valve clearance. So for all these kind of bikes, you need to do the valve clearance at least between 25,000 to 30,000. So that's to come. And other than that, I didn't really do much because just trying to save the money for the maintenance first, you know. I think the only thing that I buy is the quad lock.
Oh, okay.
This thing is 500 as well.
That's as expensive as your first service.
Expensive accessory, yeah. And then, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Just the glove and the jacket and all that.
So these are all brand new? Even the helmet?
Brand new. No, not the helmet.
Okay.
The helmet maybe one day to come.
So how much have you clocked on the odometer so far since ownership?
Around 34 now.
34,000 on your first month?
On it.
That's a lot.
Yeah, this is my daily. It's been a good daily ride for me as well, you know. You can go whenever I want it to go. I can ride it slow as well because of the modes it got Sport Plus, Sport Mode, Comfort and all that. So it's a beauty, you know. I mean, it's the everything you need for, you know.
Nice.
And this has been my dream bike ever since I saw it launch in Indonesia back in 2017 or 18.
Oh wow.
Came to Malaysia 2 years later, and yeah, alhamdulillah, now we are with one.
Okay, congrats on the new bike.
Thank
I really
you.
like it. Alright, seems like most of us are already here, but Carki Speed had some trouble along the way. But they did text me that they are coming, and I think they should be arriving shortly. So currently everyone in the team is like doing something with their car. Why don't we check out what they're doing? my background, Azizul and Bukhari are trying to troubleshoot some issue regarding the suspension because they had something colliding or knocking with each other. So that's pretty much on this side. Let's check out on the other side. Behind me you can see Hazim and also Diki talking about the GT86. Diki informed me that the GT86 is his dream car. So this is his chance to check it out in person.
Kita nak cerita pasal dua adik-beradik yang minat main kereta.
Dah tengok dah yang adiknya bawa RX-8 belanja donat tu kan. Yang ni abang dia pula.
Korang ni adik-beradik lah
Saya Haris, saya
Hazim.
Hazim.
Mesej toge dia masuk. Lagi mana? Grip masuk. Kau nak main game putus dia champion kan. Okay.
You guys saw that, right?